Welcome to Miz Vintage channel. Welcome. You over there, hi, I see you. Welcome. So I'll be getting a full beat down today. You know, a birthday look is gonna be popping. It's gonna be popping. So you guys gonna see what is going on in style. I'm Malika. I have a small business. The name is Miles Styles on Instagram. I have a lot of deals on jewelry. You can get stuff for babies, males and females, of course, adults, male and females. I have chain, I have bracelets, I have earrings. You guys can check out the page and let me know what you think. And whenever you go over there, you can tell me where so if you're coming from here, like if you saw it or hear about it from here, then you can let me know in my DM and I can give you a discount.
Alright.
See that.
So the name will be down in the description box. So guys, go check it out and let's jump into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're starting off with the brows. As usual, I am using my Stay Matte Maybelline foundation mixed with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut, just to conceal our eyebrows, and use it as our base for the eyeshadow today. Today we're going for a red glittery look, as you could see on the thumbnail. As usual, I'm using my fluffy blending brush just to blend out that concealer to ensure that the base is flat and smooth and ready for the eyeshadow application. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me how you guys are liking this series. It's not a long series. It won't be a long series. I will only be doing 5 or 6 looks of Christmas, you know, due to the late start and thing. As you can see here, I'm setting her eyelids with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just a little bit, not a lot. And today I'm using a red lipstick, matte red lipstick, as my base because I wanted something to make the eyeshadow pop some more. Because this red lipstick is matte, you have to be very quick and swift when you're working with it. So I would suggest put a little bit on the back of your hand and use the brush and just work in small portions, in circular motions, and blend as you go, because you don't want to just apply it straight on the lids and then it's just a mess. Okay, on top of this lipstick, when it dries down, you're going to go ahead and add a red eyeshadow. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. So you're just going to pat that red eyeshadow in, and we're using that same red eyeshadow as our transitional color today as well, because it's just red on a red on a red on a red. But boo, we finna slay this look. Okay, guys, this so far is my favorite Christmas sleigh. Okay, we're going to use the same fluffy blending brush. It's now clean. And a tapered blending brush just to go ahead and buff out the edges of that red eyeshadow to ensure that it's diffused, you know, nice and smooth for that glitter application. So guys, today I'm using 2 types of glitter. I'm using a chunky glitter, as you can see here, and I will be using a small red glitter, like a really refined red glitter. So first, of course, we're going to use Duo Clear Lash Glue as the glitter base. As I said, I like to use this because of longevity. It lasts longer to me. I haven't found a glitter primer to say oh, this is it for me as yet. I still use them interchangeably, so for me, I'll just continue using the Duo Clear Lash Glue for now. So I'm using the small refined glitter first as the base and building that up in like a cut crease motion. You know, you want to give it some form of shape, and then but you know, blend it out a little so it doesn't look too defined and like crisp, because you want it to be a little bit smoked out, you understand? And then we're going to, you see how beautiful that looks? Oh my god. You can stop here, you know. You don't have to be a Chevanese, which is me, and be extra and shit. But sorry, and be extra and add the chunky glitter on top. But the chunky glitter makes this look pop off 100%. Okay? It's just, oh Jesus, just look at it. Just look at it when it's finished. You seen that, guys? Nice. And alright, so we're jumping straight into face. We're using our Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. As usual, you know the routine by now. Guys, I will be doing a updated foundation, highlight, and contour routine for you guys so that you guys can see exactly what I do, because I don't show every single step, but in that video I will show every single step. Here I'm using the Black Opal stick foundation in the shade Black Walnut to go around the perimeter of her face, and then I will be using the Maybelline Stay something, is not Stay Matte. Then I will be using a Maybelline foundation to go around her T-zone. That is a little bit lighter than the Black Walnut shade. Yes, you know, every time I do a client's makeup, I do a different technique, guys. But it always comes out bomb. Let's be real. I feel like you can never stop learning with makeup. And the more you try things, the more you realize that, oh, I really like this. And it makes it look, you know. This is a full glam beat down. I can do shared out natural looks as well. You guys just have to book your appointment, you know, at Miss_Vintage on Instagram and let me know what you want. Guys, I have a deal going on now for the remaining of December. It's $3,500 to do any full glam look that you want, excluding weddings, okay? Guys, bear with me throughout this video with the lighting. It was just, I don't know. Here I'm using the same Maybelline Stay Matte foundation mixed with Chestnut. Has her concealer. We're going to conceal underneath her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her forehead, her chin, and her mustache area. Guys, as I was saying, the lighting will get better in the video. It was the first time that I was using natural light as well as studio lights come together, and I don't know, something was just out of whack and it just never looked right. So now we're going to go ahead and blend in this concealer. I don't know why I have that sponge in my hand. I don't think I used it. But yeah, we're blending out the concealer. You know, we're starting from the chin area and working our way up throughout the rest of her face. Ensure that you take your time and blend. If the client doesn't want to sit for the 1 hour and 30 minutes, I don't know what to tell you, but ensure that that makeup is blended, okay? Ensure that it's blended. We don't want no pitchy-patchy, you know, makeup. We're setting with that same Sacha Buttercup setting powder. There's a technique that I use when I'm setting, guys. You apply a light layer first, push that in with the sponge, and then you can go ahead and like build up how much you want it to be, right? Depending on the person's skin, if they're oily or not. I'm using a Super Stay powder foundation in the shade Java by Maybelline, and I'm using this sponge just to go ahead and push that into her skin around the areas where we applied her foundation. You know, we have to chisel the nose. Chisel a sizzle a mizzle. Yes, guys. So, like, use the same foundation powder. It just gives you a better time blending than if you use a contour color there that is too dark. We applied blush and contour. And now we're going into highlight using my Nabi Magic Chrome pigment. It's more of a bronzy gold. It's not necessarily like gold, but I really love it because it's nice and subtle and it's buildable. Now we're going in with lips. We're going in with a brown liner pencil and we're going to line her lips. Then we're doing something nude today. Yes, we didn't want to do our red look. That would be just a little bit too much, you know. So we're going in with a soft matte pink and then we're going to top it off with some gloss. And then we will be back with the final look with lashes and everything. And your girl is popping. Guys, again, I added some red on her lower lash line. You can do that. You don't have to, but I like the look of it in the end. And you will see the difference now. No, there's nothing there. I'll add mascara lashes and a pop of red on her lower lash line. And we'll be back.
This is it. You know, good fix me and everything. Me proper. All right, okay, bye guys. I'll see you guys next week Thursday. Well, not me, still next week Thursday. Remember to like, subscribe and share. You know, it's Miss_Vintage on IG and it's the same for YouTube as well. Remember to subscribe, guys, and remember to follow my jewelry page. It's Mal's Styles. We're gonna put all of that down there, you know, right there. And remember that if you actually follow the page and reach out to me, then I can give you a discount. I will. Just tell me where you hear about the page, and if it is from this video, then you get a nice discount, guys. Nice and proper, you know, just like my face. Bye guys.